Have you ever wanted to look up property information in Garland County and didn't know where to look? My name's Jamie Lockwood. I'm an Arkansan Realtor, and I can teach you how to find property information for free in just a couple of minutes. First, you're going to want to go to actdatascout.com, and the homepage looks like this. Before we proceed, I want you to know that if you use the information on this website to make important decisions, you should verify everything that you read because it's not always 100% accurate. To find Garland County, we're going to go to Arkansas, select Real Property, and click on Garland. This will bring up a search function where we can search for properties based on the owner's name, parcel number, tax ID, mailing address, and more. If you don't know that, but you know you're looking for a 15-acre property on Old Bear Road, you can go to the advanced search and look for the property that way. If you don't even know that, but you know where the property is, you can use the search map. It'll give you a satellite image of all of Garland County you can zoom in on to find the property. You click on it and it'll give you all the information you need. For research purposes, let's just search John Smith and see what happens. Because there's a lot of Smiths in Garland County who own property, there's a lot of information here. But the layout's the same. Here you'll see the parcel number, the owner's name, and how many acres the county thinks this parcel has. If we select View, it'll pull up the county report, which again has the parcel ID and the tax ID. It also shows information about the property owner, the property itself, its assessed values, its projected taxes for the year you're in, the deed transfers. It'll also show a residential card that shows all the information about the domicile on site, improvements to the property, and even more. You can also take all this information and print it out for yourself or email it to somebody else. And if you select Map It, you'll see a map of the property after you get this disclaimer and more information about the property on the right-hand side. This isn't a full deep dive on what you can use Data Scout for, but going forward, I'm going to make more videos about what the data represents, how to use the advanced searching options, mapping tools, and how to locate a copy of your deed. If any of that's interesting to you, stay tuned. In the meantime, if you're interested in buying or selling real estate in Arkansas, give me a call.